Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Today I'm going to discuss gold, US dollar, euro dollar, pound yen and these other currency pairs, and this is a daily forex forecast video. I will be trying to find out support and resistance levels today. So those traders who asked me again and again in the comment section about how I draw the support and resistance levels on daily basis and then how I try to trade them, so this video is going to be super beneficial for all of you who have trouble understanding the levels. Plus this is a forecast as well. I will be also sharing my own opinions about these markets with all of you. So remember everyone, when it comes to forex trading and any type of trading which includes a chart, remember understanding support and resistance levels are very important, and without these levels I think trading will become very hard, because if we don't know our directions, if we don't know our levels, there is no point or no way to trade effectively, right? So I should say support and resistance levels are like 80% of your strategy. Any strategy you pick it is consisted of these support resistance levels. So obviously the long-term levels, I have identified them in the weekly forex forecast videos, but this specific video is specially for the day traders and those traders who want to quickly get around 100-120 pips of profit with minimum stop loss of around 30-40-50 pips on the H1 and the M15. But for the levels, obviously I will be drawing them all the way from the weekly, daily, 4-hour, H1, and then I will be sharing my opinion according to all of that. Personally, most of you have asked me that what type of approach I use to identify the levels. Well, I use top-down approach followed by support and resistance levels, then trend lines, and obviously the Fibonacci for my entries. These four things are the key things, and RSI obviously. So first of all, pound dollar is right here in front of me, and I will try to keep things very simple today so that even beginner forex traders can understand these things as well. On the pound dollar, what is happening? First of all, if we see, this is a weekly chart in front of us, and if even I ask my little son, let's suppose where is the high and where is the low, so he will easily be telling me that this is the high, right? And any beginner trader can identify this thing very nicely. The second thing is, I will ask him where is the Fibonacci, and even if I ask you where is the Fibonacci on the weekly, you will be clearly telling me that Fibonacci 61.8 is right here and 50 is right here. So since this is a daily forecast video, I will be sticking with this support right here at 1.18406. From the weekly, this much information was enough for me. Plus I also have to look for one breakout point. What is that breakout point? It is simply right here at a price near, if I round it up, 1.2345. so the weekly is done. Switch to the daily and let's have a look at it. I have to confirm it. Yes, we have got a very nice valid breakout from this zone, right? And once a breakout occurs, the market try to come back down and take another support to take, like to retest it, right? So this is a very nice zone with us. Plus most of the traders will be considering this is a support zone, which is not bad, but if the market dropped this much, this tiny level cannot stop it. So on the daily, these two are my levels. Now switch to the 4-hour time frame and easily have a look at it. what's going on right here. Market is dropping very nicely, but I have to see that where potentially I can get my ABCD pattern. So the ABCD pattern is on the H4. I have no valid ABCD pattern. For that, since this is a day trading video, for that I will be having a look at this pattern is a little bit bigger, but still this is a pattern. And just have a look at this breakout point, then a retest, and from right here, or maybe from right here, this is going to be my impulsive wave, right? Even if I adjust it right here from the breakout point, it will become very easy. And now I can easily say that this is going to be my A to B. And since this is a bounce off from 61.8, which obviously is going to be a resistance zone for me as well. So on this resistance zone, if we see, very nice resistance zone, 61.8% retracement. Now I'm going to delete everything and I just want to have a look at it. First of all, I will also draw this channel right here, not channel but obviously a trend line. So from all of the analysis, what I get it that on the H1 there is a downward trend going on, and the ABCD pattern is clearly pointing towards where it will be completed at 1.20331. So since this is a day trading forecast, this is going to be a very nice support zone it can become. But like, shall we take buy trades from right here? Stay with me, I will be discussing that on the M15. So what I have found is that now in this resistance and in this expected support, what we can get is, obviously this is also a to B leg of the move, or C to D of like the completion, or an impulsive wave. So what's next? Move on to the M15 and let's have a look at it. On the M15 we have to study a little bit as well. And why we want to study? Because without proper understanding of the chart, it will be very hard for us to understand. So on the M15, different levels, like see the lower high. Let me do it with a pen tool. We can see the trend all the way. This tiny trend like C to D on the H4 became a good trend on the M15, on which we can obviously take some good trading opportunities. If you see, this trend line is broken, it came down, took a retest of the support, it came down again, range a little bit, tried to create a lower high, and this trend was already established on the M15, and obviously the market continued down. So obviously keep breaking the level, What's next? This market at this present moment is clearly pointing towards 1.20293, but right here, since this is not a support zone with me, so does that mean I should take a sell trade right here? That depends on the traders, right? In my opinion, the right scenario will be if the price go back up to take a retest at this resistance or this trend line today near 1.22200, then it can become a very nice sell opportunity. And for the buy opportunity, well, if the market is dropping on the monthly, on the weekly, on the daily, it doesn't make good sense to be looking for some buying opportunities right here, because the market has a potential that it can drop towards 1.15, and these days markets are very crazy. They are trying to get new trends, usually in September, October, November. In these 3 months, these markets gets new trends, right? So this is a very nice trade opportunity. If the market go back up, a very nice sell opportunity. But if that never happens today, what else we can trade? I think stay neutral. Whenever market is not giving you good structure, stay neutral. Not like we don't have to trade every time and every day. If we trade only when we get good structures. So this is going on, and one other level, and that is this 1.18. Let's suppose this is market. We cannot say or predict that if market is going to break this or not, but since this is an ABCD pattern, so the market should go back up from right here a little bit to take a retest of the trend line and then start to go down. This will be the ideal case scenario. If it breaks below and if it try to take a retest, then yes, a little bit of 50-50 type of trade can be taken to the sell side of the market, but at this current price, sell will not be working. Another opportunity at the London Open, and that will be if the market tried to give a wick towards 1.21000, then a small trade can be placed right here as well. Now it depends on you how you take it, but the ideal situation will be a sell from this trend line and even a breakout. Then story will be lengthy. I will be covering that in another video. Moving on to the euro US dollar, same thing is going on. The euro dollar on the weekly, let's have a look at it, and we have got this broken level, not on the weekly, but this one obviously we have got a break of structure. Very easily it can be identified. And where is the 61.8% retracement? The 61.8% retracement is right here at a price level of around 1.02, 1.03, 1.01. right? This is now done. Resistance, support. What's next? Daily time frame. On the daily it is just keep dropping. So okay, on the H4 what is going on? On the H4, if we see, same situation is going on right here. Yesterday on my regional channel in the live stream I discussed this as well. Those who belong to from India and Pakistan and Bengal, who can speak Urdu and Hindi, I have started live streams. The link will be down in the description. So in the live stream I also said that it is going down towards 1.04200, somewhere closer to this zone, but it doesn't mean we are going to take sell trades right here. No doubt the market is very nicely down and is clearly on a sell trend, but we are not going to take a sell trade from here because it dropped already so much. And just like yesterday I gave you this trade, this one, you see we have got a very nice Fibonacci yesterday, plus a bounce off from the trend line 1.0612. See this 61.8% retracement, and it dropped very nicely. So those who are holding sell positions from there since yesterday may close them 1.0427 and then wait for the market to go back up, take a retest at 1.05500 approximately. It can become a resistance with us, and then look towards the sell opportunities towards 1.020301. That depends on you, right? And those who are interested to take buy opportunities right here, those will be on the H1 and M15 confirmations. So I'm now not sure how you confirm the market, but one pattern I want to discuss, and that will be if market started to create a sort of double bottom with divergence on the RSI right here, then it can become a good buy opportunity. Well, most of the traders at the moment will be trying to take buy positions right here. Completely avoid those buy positions. You can easily get into a trap, right? But there is one intraday opportunity with us, and that intraday opportunity will be not 100% guaranteed that it will be giving profits, but easily it can give around a profit of from 1.04923, a sell trade towards 23.6% retracement with a stop of around how much, with a stop of around 20 pips. Easily this 20 pips can be generated, and quickly you can move the stop to break even. So this is the intraday, and those who are looking for buy opportunities, why I am avoiding it. Market dropped very nicely, no doubt, but even if someone want to take a buy position, I will suggest wait for a break above this zone of 1.04732. so if it go back up, take a retest, then it will be a nice opportunity towards 1.04925. Very nice opportunity it will be. So gold US dollar, I was planning to do it separately, but let's do it right here. So same situation going on the gold dollar. 1850 and 1840 were my levels, they broke. On the daily time frame, this level is clearly broken, and on the weekly, what is going on, there is another level with us, 1811, 1810. So I think market will be ranging in between these two levels. Right here, if you see, we have got a very nice sell opportunity from right here. If you remember, we took it, see, and it is going to complete right here. Then we wait for a 1860 correction, and from 1860 one sell. If 1860 it go into a drawdown, another sell from 1880, and above 1880 I don't recommend any sell trade for now. No buy, no sell, just stay neutral and observe the market and wait till my tomorrow's forecast, and let's see what we get in that. Let's see for the H1 if I can find some sort of breakout trade. There is still a potential in the market that it can go towards 1830-33 level today, but personally I will not be interested in this particular sell trade. I'm also not interested in this particular buy trade. I will be taking it from 1810 if I am lucky enough and if I get it. The precise sell entry for today, since we have a news as well, and maybe it can work till tomorrow as well. 1855, this is the day and the intraday trading levels. So these are the support and resistance levels that I drew in front of you. I hope you guys will draw your support and resistance levels like this, and you will be making good trading decisions, right? So let's see today what we get, and I will try to update you, all of you. And if you have any questions, if you are a beginner, so do ask me in the comment section down below, and I'm sure it will be a very nice communication together. Thank you so much everyone for being here with me. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself, leave a like, goodbye.